Bonjour, paix, bonsoir, bande konanga ya Sola Congo. Lelo tokolobela pe kaka masolo ya Congo. Ndenge nini mboka ekoki kotambola. Yango nayambaki wabino ndeko. Austin akolimbolela bino lisolo ya Congo. Morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm okay. Today, I say, I don't know. What's your answer?
So, in the United States, we have lots of continuous science going on in medicine. There's always medicine going on. There's new technology always coming out. We have a lot of construction trades here. We do a lot of construction, building. There's a lot of trades. We do welding here.
Yeah.
We electronic, for instances, our dairy farms, we're getting rid of more milkers, I guess you would call them, and they have more technology in there that automatically does all the cow work and everything that you need them to do.
Yeah, good.
The RDC Congo is a very wealthy country. When its people unite together with the president, the country then will greater succeed. Yeah, that's just my opinion. Thank you for listening.
Yeah. Bande konanga lisolo Congo, lelo toyambaki Austin apesi makanisi na e par rapport ya information ya Congo. Donc, toujours va penser wana, toujours makanisi na e, parce que notre président a été élu démocratiquement. Tout PC 5 ans na e, tout la sima na e, tout soutenir afin que Congo ait à la développer. Merci. Na pesi mbote na batu na ngai. Na pesi mbote na Nikleti Tungu ya batantu. Na pesi mbote na Mabeti ya Pembe. Na pesi mbote na Bebel Bombito. Na pesi mbote na Patu. Na pesi mbote na bana nyonso ya Bandali. Na pesi mbote na bana nyonso ya Kinshasa. Na pesi mbote na bandeko na nga nyonso ya Congo. Na pesi mbote bandeko na nga ya Este. Soutenons et nous réussirons. Ciao.